Hello guys, so today I want to show you that we have successfully fixed our nipple in our bed house, as in our pen. We just fixed this today after a lot of battle. This is actually my first time of fixing this. I called the plumber and he came and fixed this. I don't know if this is leaking or maybe because they touched it, but still. So these are the nipple, and then these are the pipes that supplies water for the birds to drink. So that's for here. So this is how they did the connection here down to the downstairs. You have to step in this cage. That's the up part and the down part. There's nothing here for now, so I'm not bothered about here. So, and then this is how they also did this place. So this is what is supplying the water. We just did a temporary construction here. As time goes on, we are going to build a proper block for it. Then I'll be taking you to the other house. So this is the other house. That's the second pen. That's the second. You can call it pen or you can call it cage. Okay, let me use cage. So this is the second cage. This is where the water is coming out from. Then I was actually using this before, but I'm going to remove this. I will not be needing it anymore since we already have our nipples and everything is working fine. As you can see, it's bringing water. Water is coming out for the birds. So these are our lights. This is what they use at night. Then there's the second step in the cage. So it's bringing out the water. Uh-oh. How did you fix your head, dear? Sorry. Correction there. Who are you still drinking from that? Anyway, I'm going to remove what they were using to drink water before, so that they can get used to the new one. So this is how it's looking. Then the downstairs, that's the last part of the cage. I've not fixed pipe yet. I have just little beds here, so that's why I'm using this for them to eat. So maybe by tomorrow I'm going to get a pipe.